Hi everyone, it's Giselle. Welcome to the Kids Yoga Stories community. In this Super Starter Pack, there are 3 different items to download. So first of all, you're going to see the yoga poses for kids. This is our deck 1. Now you can print these out however you like. They're made to be 3 by 5, so you can print 4 to a page to make them 3 by 5, or if you want to make them larger, you can do that. And in here you have different keywords and different poses as well, 25 of each. Okay, so that's your yoga poses. The next thing you have is a simple yoga sequences for kids. These are one page you're going to get the description of 5 poses, and then the other page you'll get the poster. You can again print these out 8.5 by 11, or if you'd like to make them larger, or you can certainly have little posters 4 to a page as well. Then you also receive the Rachel's Day in the Garden. This is one of our most popular books for spring and for garden. Excellent way to look at talking about colors, about what you see and do in the garden, spring. On each page you have a different pose that the children can do. Because this is digital format, you certainly could print it out and put it in like a book display, or you can also use it on your devices or projecting in your classroom. Thank you so much for your interest in our yoga resources. We certainly hope it'll make it fun and easy for you to teach yoga to children.